If you look around your house and you see mess and clutter and you're sick of it and you're like, enough is enough, it's time for a change, I'm super excited because I have a free 30-day decluttering challenge coming up very soon, and I really hope you take part because here's the truth. Most people struggle with a messy home, but you don't have to be most people. You don't have to pick up and tidy before you have to clean. You don't have to get frustrated because your spouse or your kids never seem to help out. And you don't have to feel like you just want to burn your house down because you're tired of the clutter. You only have to spend 5 minutes a day. 5 minutes a day finding 5 things for 30 days to change everything about your house. I've put together a 30-day decluttering challenge to help you not only transform your home, but honestly rewire your brain to enjoy decluttering and to make having a home that's always clean and tidy feel effortless. And here's the best part. It's only 5 minutes a day. 5 minutes a day, and you only have to find 5 things. It's also free, which is nice. We're gonna start on September 1st, and here's what I'm giving you. First, you're gonna get a free printable guide, which has all the days that we're gonna cover during the decluttering challenge, and you're also gonna get extra lists with ideas and sample things that you can get rid of to really make it very easy for you. I'm also gonna give you step-by-step videos each and every day on YouTube, and you're gonna see me decluttering along with you for that 5 minutes so we can body double, we can be besties while we do this together, and you're gonna get daily emails, so I nag you. I nag you and I make you show up, and I remind you and I give you continued motivation and support through the entire 30 days. But here's what you have to give to me. You have to commit to every day for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes and only finding 5 things that can go. And there really is science here behind this. When you show up consistently every day doing the same thing, even only for 5 minutes, for 30 days, you are establishing a habit. You are building your decluttering muscles. You are rewiring your brain so that you will become a more tidy and organized person. Guaranteed, or your money back, except it's free. So ha ha ha, but you just gotta trust me here. I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can sign up for the 30-day decluttering challenge. It's also gonna be here on YouTube, but if you want the printable, you're gonna have to click that link. I'm so excited to have you join. Remember to mark your calendar, get some trash bags, get a couple boxes for donation. We are in it to win it. Are you ready to transform your home? Yeah. I'll see you on September 1st. Oh, wait, there's more. I have to mention, if you're feeling excited, if you're watching this and you're like, I am ready, I cannot wait to kick my house's butt. I also have some exciting news. The Take Your House Back course that I do with Dawn from The Minimal Mom and Dana from A Slob Comes Clean, it goes on sale August 31st. Only for 3 days. It's on sale for $84 and it is decluttering on steroids. We walk you through Dana's no mess method of decluttering step by step. We are coaches for you. It's a full whole house decluttering plan, and it comes with a Facebook support group, which includes all day live declutters, where for 8 hours, we are your clutter coaches helping you go through your entire house together. It's so motivating. And I'm just like, listen, if you want to do it, it's $84. The sale starts Saturday and it's only on sale until Monday. It's like a flash in your pants sale. I think flash in your pants means something different. Not the point. I'm going to put a link to the Take Your House Back down below as well if you want to join that. Hope to see you on the next All Day Declutter. And even if you don't, I definitely better see you for this free 30-day challenge. We'll see you then. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I almost didn't do an end story, but then I knew you'd be real mad if I didn't give you an end story, and I don't have a hilarious story. I am saving those for the 30-day decluttering challenge, but I will tell you my nickname at the fire hall. Here's what I've been told. If they give you a nickname, that's a good thing. It means they really like you. If they joke around with you, this is like kind of a boys' club a little bit. I've been called Sparky, which I appreciate. But the other day, I was referred to as Pain in the Arson. Which I love it. Okay, I love it. Pain in the arson. It's hilarious because my last name's Arson, and instead of turning that into a fire, they're using a butt thing. And also, I am kind of a pain in the butt because I'm like, I know how to swim. I'll do the water rescue. I'll go into the fire. Quick, quick, I'll do CPR. And he's like, bro, the person doesn't even need CPR. Calm down. I'm just very eager to save everyone, whether they need me to save them or not. So I'm a bit of a pain in the arson. That's all. I'll see you guys next time.